In 2013, about 97,506 electric cars were sold. In 2017, about 199,826 electric cars were sold. Find the equation and how many cars were sold in 2016, approximately. So, first thing I have to do here, if I'm going to find the equation, I need to find either my slope or I need to find 2 points from the paragraphs. So looking at this, I see a time unit and I see another number. So I'm going to make that time my x, and I'm going to make the other number my y. I have my first sentence gives me my first set of points. So I have 2013, comma, and the 97,000 goes with that. So 97,506. My second point. The year is 2017, so that's my x, comma, the number of cars is my y, 199,826. If you don't have it memorized yet, you look up your slope equation. You were not given your slope, you need to find your slope. So m equals y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. You're also going to need your equation of a straight line, y equals mx plus b. So now I label my points, x comma y, first point, second point, x1, y1, x2, y2. Take my points, plug them into my equation. y1 minus 97,506 minus y2, 199,826, all over. I used my 97,000 first. I have to use my 2013 first. Minus, my other number is 2017. I can't handle these numbers in my head. I definitely need to use my calculator for this. So 97,506 minus 199,826 equals. And I have the number negative 102,320. And then that's going to go over 2013 minus 2017, so negative 4. I have a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Dividing that 4 out, I get 255,80. And that is my slope. All I found here is my slope. I have not yet found my equation. So I'm going to use my slope and one of the points, and I'm going to find my equation. So I have y equals mx plus b now. I'm going to use the first point. Y, 97,506 equals m, 25,580 times x, 2013, plus b. Solving for b. There's going to be another way of doing this. I'll get to it after I finish this one. I take my 25,580 times 2013. I get a really huge number. And I'm going to subtract that from the 97,506. And I still have a really huge number. So this is not going to be fun. I'm going to write that down though anyway. Five one three 95034. That is B. So using that number and my slope that I found, I have y equals m 25,580 x plus b. I forgot my negative sign. So this isn't going to be a plus now, this is going to be a minus. 513,95034. Huge numbers, not pleasant to deal with. This is why we're going to do this another way in a moment. Question B. Okay, so that was my answer for question A. Temporarily. Question B, how many cars were sold in 2016? So here I take the 2016 and I replace x with that. So y is 25,580 times 2016 minus 513,95034. Grab my calculator, type that in. I'm just going to type it all in at once. 25580. I lost a 0 there. I thought I had a mistake somewhere. 25580 times 2016 minus 513,95034 equals. So my answer for B, 174,246. Check it on your calculator. Should get the same number. Now I'm doing in my head a little sanity check. Does this number make sense? So 2016 is partway between 2013 and 2017. It's very close to 2017. So I look at my number of cars sold. Because it's so close to 2017, my answer should be close to the number of cars sold in 2017, 199,000, etc. So 174,000, that's reasonably close. So I'm pretty sure that's my right answer. So I'm going to box that off. Now, because I wanted to show you another way of doing this, I'm going to write that answer down up there, and I'm going to check to see, doing this other way, I'll get that same answer. I'll get a different answer for question A, but I'll get the same answer for question B. So let me write this down. Okay. make space. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. And I am going to change my x values here. And I'm going to throw in a little note here. I'm going to make the x's the number of years after 2013. So if I'm using that information, how many years after 2013 is 2013? None. So my number in here is going to be 0, comma, the number of cars sold is still the same number. How many years after 2013 is 2017? 2013, 2014, 15, 16, 17. 4 years. And the number of cars stays the same. So now I take these numbers and I plug them into my equation. M equals Y1, 97,506, minus Y2, 199,826, all over x1, 0, minus x2, 4. Work that out in my calculator. On the bottom, I can see that easy enough. I have a negative 4. 97,506 minus 199,826. I should get the same number I did before. M is negative 102,320 over negative 4. So I divide out the negative 4, and that gives me a positive 25580. Is that the same number we had before? Yeah, that's the same one. Still need to solve for B. There's a little trick though. One of our points is giving us 0 for x. Anytime you have 0 given to you for x, you automatically know what b is. So I don't have to do any more work to figure out what b is. It's already written right there. So now I just write down my y equals mx, so 25,580. X plus b plus 97,506. There is my answer for question A. That 97,506 is a much nicer number to work with than that huge monstrosity of a number that we had before. Still a big number, but it's not as bad as the other one. So now I'm going to take this equation and I'm going to solve for how many cars were sold in 2016. So how many years after 2013 is 2016? 3. So here I have x is 3. And I'm going to plug that into my equation. Y equals 25,580 times x, 3, plus b plus 97,506. I'm going to type all of it into my calculator at one time. 25580 times 3 plus 97506 equals, and my number that I get is 174246. It's a word problem. I throw my units on the end. And there's my answer for question B. So now that I found my answer there, I'm going to look at that answer and I'm going to compare it to my answer up above that I had found the other way. 174, comma, 246. It's the exact same number, but the only difference is that my number for my equation, my b for my equation, is much easier to work with.